How to hot tub. Pre-tub ideas. Having a party? Girls' night in? Day with the family? Well, it's a good job you found us here at Hello Hot Tubs. Ordering the tub? It's easy to tub. Simply head over to our website, select your city and order away. Either pay a £10 deposit or the amount in full. We hire from just £50 a night. We're not the type to break the bank. We make contact. You'll receive a confirmation email and we'll ring you a few days before your booking and sort out a delivery time suited to you. Arrive usually night before. In most cases, we're able to drop the tubs off the night before your booking, meaning the water heats overnight and you're able to use the tub as soon as you wake up. If you're not in the night before, we're able to connect our hose straight to the hot kitchen tap. Installation process. We arrive with our tubs, which fit through any door and are usable on any surface inside or out. 15 minutes later, we're ready for the hose. We'll leave this running and teach our lovely customers how to use the tub. 5 minutes later, we're out of your hair. You bubble. The next morning, you wake up and the tub is ready to use. Smiles all round. We drain and collect. When your booking comes to an end, we pop back round the morning after and using our industrial grade water pump, we're able to pump the water into a convenient drain or manhole. No fuss, no mess, just tub. Glorious tub!